Department tells CNN Philippines over 400 Filipino workers who applied for amnesty in Saudi Arabia are expected to come home. Labor Secretary Bebot Bello says some have already returned, while 250 others are also expected to be back soon. The government is asking the Saudi Labor Ministry to allow 160 OFWs in different shelters to be sent home. Bello explains they may not be qualified under the amnesty program since they have pending cases.
Actually, tina yung mga nandoon sa shelter na yun, baka hindi sila mag-qualify doon sa amnesty program that was declared by the Crown Prince of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Kasi may mga kaso yung amnesty declaration na yun ay para lamang sa mga walang kaso. So, special request namin na kung maaari sana, bagamat may kaso sila, ay tulungan na ng Minister of Labor nila.
Bello has also asked Philippine labor attachés in the Middle East to hold monthly visits to Filipinos in jail and assist them in their needs.